Let me tell you briefly what is about on this channel and why it might be interesting for you to follow it. I present car repairs and auto locksmith services. Tell you more about it. OGS Mechanics is a workshop in North London where we complete comprehensive repairs, mechanical repairs, electrical repairs, diagnostic and coding and programming, real life experiences with our engineers. Car Key Solutions is a mobile auto locksmith services around London and in our fixed location. Again, real life experiences from car key replacement, vehicle security upgrades, alarm installation, vehicle trackers, dash camera, so much more, ignition repairs, door bar recording, along with top brands like Locks4Vans and Ghost Immobiliser. All in all, you're gonna see services like this. This piston is melted here. The bore is also affected, so all engine is gonna need reconditioning. Car was broken down. The idle pulley from the alternator belt has gone, it's seized up, belt has disintegrated. This, it could have been picked up if the car would have been serviced. Electric vehicle repairs. This Audi e-tron has a problem on a high voltage battery. An interesting project to fully recondition this Toyota Supra with a 2JZ engine. Diagnosing a problem, then replace and program a faulty engine control unit. Software updates, as the case on this Range Rover. Modern vehicle, they need software updates regularly. Glow plug extraction and hydraulic injector removal. It happens more often than you think. Injectors or glow plugs, very often they get seized up in the cylinder head, and the only way to take them out is drill them or pull them out with hydraulic equipment. Classic car repairs like is this Bentley Turbo R with 6.7 engine. Just hear it. Oh my god, this sounds good. Ignition barrel repair, replace or recode. Real life experiences on cars and vans. Key no longer turns, is lost, or the steering lock becomes defective. Vehicle unlocking, when the keys are locked inside or completely lost, using specialist equipment like this. Real life experience with engineers on the road. Key repairs, when we transform something like this into something like that. Having working again, replacing buttons, chips, transponders, real life experiences. Ghost Immobiliser, disarming by entering a code using buttons on the door, steering wheel or the center console. Van security, hook locks, security plates, slam handles. After you put the locks on, a smart alarm that will send notification in case it's triggered. Starline alarm, a notification, a phone call, and also a message is triggered. This is just a brief of the content that is going to follow. So if you think this is going to be interesting for you, like and follow this channel.